In our previous class, we had seen how to export the application or migrate the application from source instance to target instance. And also we had seen how we can create the supporting objects going to the installation scripts, that is for DDL and DML. Now, if you say we don't want to have this kind of setup, like I want to export my application irrespective of underlying data structure, that is, I don't want to create the DDL and the DML scripts in the application, rather I want to create from outside. Is there a way? Yes, there is a way. We have to go to the Apex dashboard page over here, go to the SQL workshop. You can go to the data utility. You can go to the data workshop from here. Click on this. We have to select first of all the unload data from here, and you can select XML or text format, whatever suits, you can select over here. And then we have to select the table for which you want to export the data. I want to select all the columns. I can select like this. Alternatively, we can provide the where condition over here. You can click on unload the data. So this is going to create the data for you. And if you want to load the data, again, you can come to the utilities, data workshop, and you can go to the load from cloud or load data from the file. You can click on this and you can select the file. We can select the file which we had exported earlier. Click on this and select the file. Then it will be installing all the data which we have exported from our source application like this. You can close this. Alternatively, the option is you can go to the object browser over here, expand the table. We can select the table for which you want to export the data. We can click on the data tab over here. You can click on download. So this is going to export the file on your computer, that is the .xlsx. Suppose if you want to import the data into your target application, then you can go to the object browser in your target instance, go to the tables, and click on the load data on the table, and you can select the same XLSX file which you exported from the source. Click on this, and this is going to import the data from the file. So like this, you can export and import the data in a couple of ways. Also, if you want to export the DDL for a particular table, you can navigate to object browser, then expand the table and click on the DDL. You can get the DDL statement like this. You can click on this and it will export the DDL statement for you. And you can run this using the SQL Developer Web, or you can alternately go to the SQL script, upload over here the DDL script which you have exported. Use this and select this. You can tell this as a DDL table, something like this. Use a meaningful name. Click on upload, and you can look at the DDL script and click on edit. You can see like this and click on run from here, or you can run from the table view as well. Otherwise, you can go to the SQL commands from here and you can copy paste the script over here and you can manually run as well. So these are the couple of ways how you can export the DDL and the DML scripts from the source instance and run in the target instance.